I've been in Aberdeen 25 years. You'll notice my accent's fading fast. And for 20 of those years I've been involved around cranes and operational requirement of cranes and mechanical handling. Over the last 2 years, MDL have been more and more involved in crane work for various clients. We've done winch changeouts on platform cranes. We have done phased array inspections on vessel cranes. We've done hydraulic work on cranes, fault finding, certain structural inspections on cranes, and done some modelling around that to ensure the integrity of the crane is good. We've done various mechanical handling projects around the cranes to do winch changeouts. So again, mobilising various pieces of equipment and ensuring that when that piece of kit goes onto the platform is obviously strong enough to take that piece of kit. So again, it's not just a matter of turning up with a temporary crane and going, yeah, that's it. It's ensuring that the integrity of the platform has also been considered, as well as the integrity of the crane. Vessel contractors, when they put their vessels in, they're obviously on a very tight schedule and defined budget. So they don't want to be dealing with 2 or 3, 4 different people for effectively the same piece of work. They want to be dealing with one, and then you go and deal with your subcontractors. So they've only got one stakeholder to deal with, and that fits nicely with what they then can manage after everything else that's going off on a vessel and during a docking. We certainly understand the criticality of vessels being operational, because that's what we built our business on. We've got the skill set from what we've done. We've got the skill set from a crane's point of view. From a technical point of view, we've got people, as we said, transferable skills that we can take into that, which removes a one-man fits one job sort of basis. They can do 2 or 3 different jobs. And as technology moves forward, there's certain tools that we can now use, like phased array and things like that, where that speeds the whole process up. So I think by using that technology, by using the knowledge, and by using the crane condition evaluation to focus in on that, you can do yearlies, you can do 5 yearlies, you can do breakdown maintenance, you can do any of these things.